Ever wonder why your home still doesn't feel cozy as you want, no matter how many cushions, candles, or even dogs you add? It's not just about decor, it's about how the space is designed. The difference between a home and a house comes down to how it makes you feel. And that feeling isn't random, it's carefully shaped through good architecture. If your home feels cold, cramped, or just not like you want it to be, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make your home cozy. Hi, I'm Lorenzo Centioni, an Italian architect based in London, and in today's video I want to break down 10 architect-approved tips to make your home feel as inviting and cozy as it can get. Stick around because at the end I'll show you powerful design elements that most people overlook, but once you notice it, you'll never see your home the same way again. The way a home is designed dictates how cozy it feels. Poor flow, awkward proportion, or cluttered furniture all create tension, while well-balanced spaces naturally feel more inviting and restful. Ever walk into a space that feels either too empty or too cramped? Ceiling height plays a huge role in coziness. High ceilings can feel cold and intimidating. You can bring warmth down with pendant lighting, wooden beams, or even floating ceiling panels. Low ceilings can feel restrictive. Use vertical elements like tall bookcases or floor-to-ceiling curtains to visually lift the room. If moving through your space feels a bit awkward, then your layout is working against you. You want to keep pathways open, so avoid blocking movement with bulky furniture, for example. If an open plan space feels too vast, you can create soft divisions with shelving, glass partitions, or changes in the flooring materials to subtly define different zones. You can also try compression and release. Entering through a narrow hallway that leads into a wider, bright living space can create a sense of comfort and openness. A tiny sofa in a big room feels lost. Conversely, oversized furniture in a small space can make everything feel cramped. Choose furniture that fits the scale of the room. Avoid large, heavy pieces in small spaces and anchor the space with a focal point, like for example a fireplace or a statement light fixture, or maybe a large window that will give the room a sense of purpose. Lighting has the power to make a home feel warm and inviting, or conversely, it can feel very cold and sterile. A cozy home is all about layering light to create depth and comfort. A lack of daylight makes any space feel less inviting and even smaller. Poor daylight can even impact your mood. Use mirrors or light-colored walls, or glass doors even, to bounce daylight deeper into the space. If your windows are small, keep curtains sheer or remove them entirely to allow in more light. If renovating, consider adding clerestory windows. These are high horizontal windows to bring in soft, indirect light while maintaining privacy. If your home just relies on one overhead light, it's probably making the space feel flat and uninviting, similar to what you could find in a hospital. If you can, avoid a single harsh light source. Instead, you can layer your warm-toned lighting with floor lamps for cozy corners, or maybe table lamps for functional soft lighting. If you have recessed lights, install dimmers to adjust brightness throughout the day. That really helps. Light placement matters as well. Wrong heights can make the space feel awkward and uncomfortable. For dining table, you can hang pendant lights 2-3 inches above the table for an intimate setting. For reading nooks, you can use adjustable wall-mounted lamps for direct, glare-free lighting. Overhead fixtures that are too high create harsh shadows. Keep them lower for a cozy atmosphere. A truly cozy home isn't just about how it looks, it's also about how it feels. The materials you use impact warmth, comfort, and even the way sound moves through the space. Glossy surface, cold metal, or too much glass can make a home feel sterile instead of inviting. Choose natural materials like wood, stone, and exposed brick for warmth and character. Use matte finishes on walls, furniture, and even floors. They absorb light softly, creating a warm and cozy glow. I really like the raven or charcoal black paint. It creates a beautiful contrast with plants and furniture. Avoid high-gloss surfaces like the marble kitchen worktops, which reflect light too harshly and can feel quite impersonal. Remember, a space only filled with hard, smooth surfaces lacks depth and warmth. you want to layer textures by mixing plush fabrics, for example wool rugs, linen curtains or velvet cushions, with structural materials, for example wood furniture, ceramic lamps or stone tables. A high piled rag on a polished floor instantly makes the space feel softer and more inviting. Too many hard surfaces or empty walls make sound bounce around, making your home feel empty and very loud. Use fabric wall panels, heavy curtains or upholstered furniture to absorb sound and soften the space. Even small details like placing a bookshelf against a blank wall will help break sound and create a cozy, intimate atmosphere. Thanks for watching the video so far, and as promised, here's my 10th bonus tip. A space without a strong focal point can feel disconnected, like there's no real cozy spot drawing you in and inviting you to sit down and relax. You can arrange seating to face the best view, whether it's a garden or a street or even just a well-placed plant. If your view isn't that great, you can still layer indoor greenery near windows to bring in a bit of softness and life. A bench or a low shelf under window creates an instant cozy corner, perfect for reading or relaxing. That's it! 10 architect-approved tips to make your home feel warm, inviting and truly yours. So which tip are you gonna try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're gonna make your home cozier. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notifications, because there will be a lot of videos coming through. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time. Ciao!